I'm laying down it to compile it. Oh no, I see you only when you're ballin'. Oh no, I don't even care to doubt. I'll see you in a while, cause this time I will choose you, yeah. Now choose. You know exactly how to look like this. Holding in a bag full of goods and needs. I need a night like this. Knowing it's a risk cause you're using it. You've got all your secrets. I can seem to move this thing. You're pulling me out and I'm right back in the sideline.
Welcome back to another cleaning video. My name is Cheyenne. I'm a stay-at-home mom of 4 children. We live in eastern New Mexico, and I like to post motivational cleaning videos so that you can gain some motivation to tackle any projects in your day. So if that sounds interesting to you, then definitely stick around and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It is free for you. And if you like today's video, don't forget to hit the like button.
Oh no, like I'm sudden but I'm steady. Tell me to move on, cause I deserve more, but still I wanna choose you, yeah. Now choose. You know exactly how to look like this. Holding in a bag full of goods and needs. I need a night like this. Knowing it's a risk cause you're using it. You got all your secrets. I can seem to move this thing. I'm on the sideline where you wanna be. I'm by the byway waiting for your lead. I don't wanna fall in love like this, but I can't help to fall for you repeatedly. I'm on the sideline where you wanna be. I'm by the byway waiting for your lead. I don't wanna fall in love like this, but I can't help to fall for you repeatedly. I'm on the sideline where you wanted me. I'm by the byway waiting for your lead. I don't wanna fall in love like this, but I can't help to fall for you repeatedly. I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me, I swear. You would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me, I swear. You would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Ooh, baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me.
want to mention that if you guys are not following me over on Instagram, I will leave my Instagram handle on the screen, and then I also always keep it in the description box. I post over there daily.
Next to my chin, try to hold my breath in, don't wanna wake up. Your heart is my violin, watching you sleep is comforting, don't wanna wake up. Wish that I was brave, but I've never been the one. Wish that we could stay like this, I wanna stay. Wish that I was brave, but I've never been the one. Wish that we could stay like this, I wanna stay. If I got superpowers, I'll stop the clock, be right here in this moment. You're all I want. If I got superpowers, I'll stop the clock. Wish I got superpowers. Your hands touching my hand, want your fingers everywhere, don't wanna wake up. Wish that I was brave, but I never been.
So I know I mentioned in my previous videos that I needed a new vacuum, that mine was just not keeping up with the floor. I needed something more heavy duty, so I did go ahead and purchase this Bissell from Walmart. It was like just over $100, and it's the pet one. I really like it. It really does get the job done for now, because we have all kinds of stuff being tracked into our house. As you can see in the canister, it was so disgusting, and I was just overusing the shark, because when I first got it, it was working great, but we didn't have all that stuff being brought in the house constantly, like bark and really big pieces of dirt. We live in eastern New Mexico, so that's bound to happen. Not to mention the dust on the floor. At first it was a good dog. It was a good vacuum. A good dog. Sorry. At first it was a great vacuum. We actually didn't have Apollo. He's our big polar bear. At the time, he was a puppy when we lived in our last house down the street, and then we moved into here, and he's a full-grown dog, and he sheds like crazy, you guys. So like brushing doesn't even do the job. Like, you have to brush them every day all year long just to get all the hair off.
If I got superpowers, I'll stop the clock, be right here in this moment. You're all I want. If I got superpowers, I'll stop the clock. Wish I got superpowers.
Summer night.
to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. You don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down. Be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off. Don't hide it. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder.
I've been dreaming so much lately about your face when you're smiling. It's the only thing that saves me. Hey, I don't know if I told you that I think you're beautiful, and how I can't wait to hold you. Yeah, you pull me up when I'm falling down, and I don't know what I would do without you. Yeah, you pull me up when I'm falling down. Hey, now look into my eyes. You can use them as a mirror, baby. You're my ticket to paradise. Hey, now everything's alright. We've been longing for each other, and it feels like I'm on cloud nine. I don't wanna be without you. This is something that I know for sure. It's just something about you. I just want more. Tell me what you wanna do right now. Tell me what you wanna do tonight. I really don't care as long as I'm with you. Hey, now look into my eyes. You can use them as a mirror, baby. You're my ticket to paradise. Hey, now everything's alright. We've been longing for each other, and it feels like I'm on cloud nine. into my eyes, you can use them as a mirror. You're my ticket to paradise. Hey, now look into my eyes.
Thank you so much for watching today's video. We are coming to an end. Again, let me know if you guys like the 20-minute videos or the 15 minutes and below. Also, if you are new, I do hope you consider subscribing to my channel. It would mean so much to me. And I'm currently trying to post 1 to 2 videos a week. I think for the month of November and December it's going to be around 2 videos per week, but I'm not really 100% sure on the days. So if you have any specific days you'd like me to post, definitely comment down below. And yeah, otherwise don't forget to hit your notification bell, because when I do post, it may be on like random days. I don't know yet. I don't really have a set schedule. I'm just kind of trying to film, edit, post as much as I can. So anyways, if you liked today's video, don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to follow me over on Instagram if you are not. And also, that's it. So thank you so much for watching again, and I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I'm driving, you're smiling, just really doing nothing. That's the thing I like about you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do, yeah.